In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Outlook tasks. By the end, you'll know how to create tasks on the web, add due dates, set reminders, make tasks repeat, and mark them complete so you can stay on top of your work. Start by opening your web browser and going to outlook.live.com, then sign into your account. Once you're in your inbox, look to the left-hand sidebar. You'll see an option labeled To Do. This opens Microsoft To Do inside Outlook, which is where your tasks live. If you don't immediately see it, expand the sidebar or scroll down until it appears. Let's create your first task. Click Add Task. A new task line appears where you can type a short, clear title, something like Submit Report or Call the Vendor. Keep titles specific and actionable so you recognize them at a glance later. After adding the title, you can open the task to add more details if you like, but the title is enough to get started. Next, add a due date so your task appears on the right day. Choose a specific date from the calendar. This helps Outlook surface the task when it's relevant and prevents it from getting lost. If the task is time-sensitive, pick the day you want it finished, not just started. You can change or clear the date anytime if plans shift. If you want a nudge before it's due, add a reminder. Select a date and time when you want Outlook to notify you. Choose a reminder that gives you enough lead time to actually do the work. Maybe the morning of the due date, or even a day earlier for bigger tasks. Reminders are especially helpful if your day is packed and you rely on notifications to stay focused. For tasks that happen regularly, make them repeat. You can set them to recur daily, weekly, monthly, or on a custom schedule. For example, if you send a weekly report every Friday, choose a weekly recurrence and set Friday as the day. If it won't go on forever, add an end date so the series stops when it should. When you finish a task, mark it complete by clicking the circle next to it. The task will instantly move to your completed list, which keeps your active list clean. If you check it by mistake, just uncheck it to bring it back. That's all you need to start using Outlook tasks effectively. Go to Do, add a task, set a due date, add a reminder if needed, make it repeat when appropriate, and mark it complete when you're done. Keep your titles clear and review your list daily for best results.